So itong camp na to, hindi lang to basta learning camp, hindi lang tayo basta matututo, pero lagi namin sinasabi, this is an empowerment camp, no? Kasi gusto natin kayo mismo, mabigyan kayo ng mga tools, ng courage, para ipaglaban ang inyong karapatan, para protektahan ang mga kapwa ng kabataan, at syempre para i-lead itong movement na sinisimulan natin.
To answer one problem, the thing that you need to do is you need to take time, you need to do your research, you need to talk to the people, and you have to dig for the human truth behind it. A good strategy will feel simple but powerful enough to move people.
What do you want to say and what do you want people to feel, right? You have to know what to say first. You have to know, you have to be clear with your message, then you be clever. So big idea is so important. It's so important because it'll be the heart of everything you're gonna say. It's the heart of your entire campaign.
Kung mababago natin ang naratibo ng tobacco control at vaping sa Pilipinas, it's a win for us and for the next generations. Hindi na magkakaroon ng another generation na merong access to vape, access to tobacco, at hindi na natin kailangan magkaroon ng data kung ilan ang namatay dahil doon. Because us, we're taking the lead now. And what we're doing now would spark courage and inspire movements for generations to come.